Hey guys, it's me Harshan. Welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today I will be showing you how to make a white cake. A white cake is basically a vanilla cake, but instead of adding the whole eggs with the yolk and the white, we only add in the egg whites, and thus the name white cake. It is very simple to make, so let's start making it. The ingredients that you will require for the white cake are 2½ plus 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 plus 1/8 cup of sugar. I am using powdered sugar, you can also use caster sugar, 3/4 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of butter at room temperature, 3 egg whites, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract, 1 plus 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Our first step is to combine all of our dry ingredients. So into the flour we will add in our salt and the baking powder. And now using a whisk we will mix everything. And now we will set this aside until required for the further step. For our next step, we have to cream our butter and sugar. So into a mixing bowl, we will add in our butter and we will also add in our sugar. And now I am using an electric hand mixer. If you want, you can also use a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. And then we will start creaming it on low speed. We will now scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl once. And then continue mixing this on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now as you can see, the butter has lightened in color a lot, and this will also help us to give a nice and white cake. Now to this mixture we will add in our vanilla essence and then mix it until it's combined. Now into this we will add in our egg whites and then mix on low speed until they are incorporated into our butter mixture. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl once. And then again mix for about a minute. Now we have a butter mixture, dry ingredients and milk ready to go. So we will add in our dry ingredients into a butter mixture and the milk alternatingly, starting and ending with dry, and mixing well between each additions with our electric hand mixer. Now using a spatula, we will scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. And then once again mix it on low speed. Our batter is ready. Here I have a 6-inch round cake pan which I have lined with parchment paper on the bottom and on the sides. And I have my white cake batter which now I will pour into a cake pan. Now we will just spread this around into an even layer. And now we will bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. That was my recipe for a white cake. It is very simple, but if you want, you can turn it to a butterscotch cake, a chocolate chip cake by adding chocolate chips in it. You can also decorate it plainly by chocolate ganache. The possibilities are endless. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon with another such wonderful recipe. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.